Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Samsung Ice Maker bin stuck in 2026. So first of all, we need to first understand what is actually causing it. So a stuck ice bin is usually due to ice freezing around the bin edges, or sometimes overfilled or jammed ice, or misalignment in the locking mechanism. So instead of pulling harder, we need to fix these causes first. So you need to check the ice blockage here. For that, simply open the compartment and look closely. If the ice is packed tightly or stuck around the bin, you just have to gently break apart visible chunks. Do not use any kind of sharp tools, and this releases the pressure on the bin. After that, if the bin is frozen in place, you can just simply use a warm cloth or low heat air around the edges. It melts thin ice, holding it in place. Now avoid pouring the hot water directly inside. Now most of the Samsung bins require a slightly lift before pulling out. So lift the front slightly, then you just have to pull it straight. So if you pull without lifting, it may feel stuck, so you just have to do it. Now sometimes the ice inside the bin forms a solid block. This pushes against the housing and also locks it. So loosen the ice manually before removing it. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.